Summer's finally here, and honestly, there's nothing I crave more than something cold and juicy. So today, I'm flipping the script on the classic popsicle and bringing you a sweet, tangy twist: Watermelon Tajín Popsicles. Trust me, this is summer on a stick. First off, let's talk watermelon. Not only is it the most hydrating fruit, it's also packed with vitamins A and C. That means you can snack away guilt-free while keeping cool and getting a boost of antioxidants. Now here's where the magic happens. Tajin. If you've never tried it, Tajin is this awesome Mexican seasoning made from chili, lime, and salt. A sprinkle of it, and suddenly, simple fruit tastes like a flavor explosion. It's bright, a little spicy, and totally irresistible next to sweet watermelon. So what do you need? 4 cups of seedless watermelon cubed, 2 tablespoons of Tajin, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. And if you're going all out, a little extra Tajin for topping. That's it. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. Let's make it. Pop your watermelon cubes into a blender and blend until smooth. Add the lime juice and 1 tablespoon of Tajin. Blend again. Give it a taste. If you're into more heat, add another dash of Tajin. Pour that gorgeous pink mix into your popsicle molds, filling them about 3/4 full. Want to get fancy? Toss in a few mint leaves or extra watermelon chunks. Insert the sticks, pop them in the freezer, and let them chill for at least 4 to 6 hours. When they're frozen, just run the molds under warm water, and they'll slide right out. Sprinkle a little more Tajin on top for a punch of flavor that wakes up every taste bud. Presentation totally counts, so serve these on a colorful plate, add some lime wedges, and maybe even set up a popsicle bar if you've got friends coming over. And here's a bonus. These popsicles are good for you, hydrating, low-calorie, and no added sugar. Want to switch it up? Try adding mango, strawberries, or a splash of coconut water. Watermelon Tajín Popsicles are super easy, healthy, and guaranteed to impress. So get blending, have fun, and make your summer way cooler. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, tasty recipes. Happy summer snacking!